Looking at both of these graphs, I must say the growth is phenomenal, and I don't see it's a real account. The statistics are looking good. Let's head over to this My FX Book account quickly. Same for this one, real account. The graph is looking good. The growth is looking good. Hi there, my friend. Errol Muller here, and welcome to another video. In this specific video, we will be doing a review based on the FXTrack Pro. Now, if you want to get hold of this specific Forex robot, let me quickly share with you. If you head over to empiredigest.com, I'm the owner and the founder of this website of this business. And if you head over to the Forex tab, you just scroll down, you click on Forex Trading Robots, click the Learn More button. Once on the Learn More button, you want to head over to, I will also leave a link in the description below this video. That'll make it easy for you to just head over to this specific page that I'm sharing with you. And then, so Forex Trading Robots, then you head over to this one that says Forex Store. You click the Access Now button. Once you've clicked the Access Now button, you want to search for FXTrack Pro. Let's quickly do that. Type in FXTrack Pro. I think I will also include the specific robot on my Forex trading page. That will make it easy for you to find it as well if you don't want to go through this process. Now, you just type in FXTrack Pro and then click enter. It will immediately bring it up for you, and then you can view any one of them, the FXTrack Pro Super or just the standard FXTrack Pro. Now, based on the analysis, what we are going to do in this specific video is I'm going to delve into the nitty-gritties and provide you watching this video with as much information as possible. If you've watched any of my previous videos, you will see that I do reviews based on Forex trading robots, for instance, the FXTrack Pro, and make money online systems, scams, things that are legit, not legit, it doesn't matter. So on your screen right now is a disclaimer. I want you to pause this video for a second, read the disclaimer, and let's follow along. I've been doing this for many years, going on 9 years now that I've traded Forex, and I've got a lot of experience. You will see in some of my previous videos, I do share that with you, and I do tell you a little bit more about my story. Now, before we continue, and we actually delve into, I don't want to really go through the sales page of the FXTrack Pro. What I do want to do though is I'm going to open up the My FX Book accounts, because this is what is important to me. And this is for you watching this video. I'm sharing this video with you, nothing against the owner or the developer or the creator of the specific Forex robot. The purpose of this video is for me to share with you as much information as possible. So I'm just opening the to My FX Book account to share as much information with you as possible in order for you to make an informed decision. I don't want to put the robot in a bad light or in a good light. It's just to help you gather as much information as you possibly can in order to make an informed decision. That's all I do. So what I've done is I've actually opened up the FXTrack Pro Super and then the standard FXTrack Pro, the Euro USD account. Now, let's quickly head over to, I want to open up the Euro USD because it's got a more consistent graph. And then we're quickly going to have a look at this one as well, which is the Super. This is the Super account, and this is the standard account, the Euro USD. It says new version. Okay, so what I also wanted, there's something else I wanted to share with you. Oh yes, okay. So by now you should know, I'm going to drop a link in the description below this video in order for you to get to this page, the Forex page, and then you can click on the Forex Trading Robots like I just shared with you, the Learn More button, and you can go to Forex Store and search for FXTrack Pro. I think I will also include it in the list of Forex trading robots on my website. Now, if you're interested in making serious money online, if you want to know how to make more money and build a sustainable, long-term wealthy business online, head to Empire Digest, the homepage, empiredigest.com, click the Show Me How to Make Money button and subscribe to that live event that is happening. Okay, that's all I'm going to say about it. I want you to have a look at it for yourself. I've done another video on the top right hand side. There will be an information button popping up right now to share more of the affiliate business system with you. And what you can achieve. There's no guarantees in life, but I'm showing you possibilities, earning possibilities and probabilities. Okay, so let's go into it. Okay, this is the FXTrack Pro Super account. It says 3 pairs. So let's quickly, first thing that you always want to look at when looking at a forex trading robot is you want to make sure the custom analysis is not set. In this case, it's not set. Why? As soon as somebody sets the custom analysis, it means they are hiding a certain amount of trading history from you in order for you not to see how the robot's been performing since the inception of the account, when the account was created. In this case, it's not set, which is a good thing. The track record is verified, trading privileges is verified, live update, that is just a thing between the broker and the investor, etc. They have to link the accounts properly, and then the live update will appear. So next thing I want to look at is I want to make sure it's a real account. So you can actually create yourself a little list of things that when you look at buying forex trading robots, you want to compile yourself a list and you want to make sure it ticks certain things. I'm not going to provide you with that list. I want you to gather your own information and put your own list together. And the purpose behind it is you're going to learn so much more by doing that instead of somebody just spoon feeding you. I hope you understand what I'm trying to get across here. I want you to stand on your own feet and build your own business, build your own empire, do what you need to do. And if you agree with me, leave me a comment below this video. I'd appreciate that. And give me your feedback after you've watched this video. Okay, you can see it's a real account and they are actually sharing with you the leverage of the account. They've opened a 1 to 500 leverage, so that's also nice. If you do have any other questions regarding anything on a forex trading robot, contact the support of the system. In this case, you would go to FXTrack Pro and you would find the contact page. Let's quickly see if there's a contact page. Yes, contact us, contact them, send them an email, and ask them as many questions as you possibly can in order for you to gather more information to make that informed decision. Next, the total gain is 3,791%. The daily is 0.86%. Monthly on average is about 29.44%. Now, just heading back to the general account. Now, if it does say demo, I'm still happy with demo. I don't want to deal with backtesting results. There's a way to manipulate backtesting results. So I don't deal with backtesting results. I want to see a demo account or a real account. Reason being, both of them, whether it be a demo account or a real account, is still using live data, live charts. So whether it be a demo or a live, it's okay. I prefer live because then that means the owner or the creator, the developer of this website is actually putting his money where his mouth is. So if he's trying to sell you the FXTrack Pro, then he's investing in his own system, his own forex trading robot. In this case, the deposit they've made is $1,000 deposit into this specific account, which is fine. The growth is looking good. They had a bit of you can see a bit of a shuffle around right around here, what date is this? May 19th, the year 2023. And we go to drawdown. I just want to have a look at something. Okay, this is the year 2022, May 18, 2023. You can see there was a bit of a drawdown at around 34%. Back in the year 2022, the drawdown was quite high around this specific area. That is just something I can see as it progresses. The drawdown is actually going lower and lower and lower, which tells me that they've lowered the risk factor on the forex trading robot, which is a good thing. You don't want to have too much risk and too high of a drawdown, because the higher the drawdown, the quicker you can blow your account, the quicker you can lose money, which you don't want. Now, going back to the growth, it's looking good. I don't see the orange line really separating. So you've got your growth and then you've got your equity. I don't really see the equity separating from the growth account, which is good. This is the balance of the account, how it's grown, and then the pure profit of the account, how it has grown. Now, the last update was 4 minutes ago. I'm not going to go into both. I just want to share both of the pairs with you that FXTrack Pro do share with us. And in this case, this is the Euro USD version. the standard one, and the growth is also looking phenomenal. The graph is looking more consistent. Let's quickly have a look at the drawdown. The drawdown is looking very consistent, very good. Actually, a very low drawdowns. And if you go to growth, it's looking phenomenal. Okay, so on this one, the monthly average growth is 14.69%, and the drawdown is 28%. Not bad. Obviously, the lower the drawdown, the better. That is what you want, is a low drawdown. Now, if they've made changes later on in the Forex robot to lower the risk, it won't immediately impact the drawdown, because the drawdown takes all your trading into account. Since the inception of the account, the opening of the account, since you started trading up until now. So do take that into mind as well. Okay, next, something to look at is you want to head down and you want to click on the summary. This will give you a summary of the trades or the pairs that they are using to trade. In this case, the Euro USD, the GBP USD, and the USD JPY. This is how it's been performing. These are the profits on every single one of these pairs for this specific set file. Okay, on the Euro USD, let's quickly have a look. Summary will only be the Euro USD, as you can see, and that's how it's been performing. Now, I also want to, let's quickly go down. I want to go to duration, and then I also want to go to duration on this one. So we want to see on average, how long does a trade stay open? The longer means you have to pay more swaps, and there's also a possibility that they don't use a stop loss. Another tip, ask FXTrack Pro if they use a stop loss on the Forex trading robot, or if it's based on the drawdown. Does it work on a risk factor of drawdown or a stop loss? Preferably a stop loss. That means if you open up your trade, so let's say this is the entry of your trade, here's your take profit, here's your stop loss. If the trade goes into a bear market, at least it stops out before the time. You don't blow your account if there's a spike in the market, and here's your take profit. If there's no stop loss, and they work on a risk factor, let's say a drawdown factor, if they are willing to risk 30 or 45% of the account, that means if the market does go down and stop you out, you will lose in one trade 45% of your account, or 30%. That is quite high. That is very, very, very risky. So do contact their support and ask them if that is what they do or not. Now, on this specific pair, you can see majority of the trades is around the 4-day mark. So anywhere from 2 to 3 days, and then up to 4 days. There's quite a few trades that's running for about 7 days, which is a week, and then the longest trade was a loss trade, and it ran for 15 days. That's quite long. Imagine the swaps on that. Even this, anything that goes over 24 hours, like 1 to 2 days, you have to pay overnight swaps, and that is just extra money. That is basically coming off the profit of the trade. And if it's in a loss, you still pay swaps. Okay, so I trade with I used to trade. Listen to me carefully. I don't trade Forex robots anymore. I invest in individuals trading on my behalf. It frees up a lot of my time. I do get this question quite often. I've got many years of experience, call it 9 years worth of experience in Forex trading, trading myself manually, Forex trading robots, investing in other Forex traders, copy trading. So I do somewhat know what I'm talking about. Okay, so yeah, I used to trade with a commission account. Now, next thing that you want to have a look at, so it's both, you can open up both, just follow along, and you can open up both set files in order to see how it's been performing. Then if you look at open trades, okay, they're not going to share their open trades because people copy their trading style. It's easy to figure it out. You can have a look at the history of the trades, but what I do want to share with you is, so this account, another tip from my side is, me personally, if I want to buy, or when I used to buy Forex trading robots and trade with them, I would look at anything that's trading from 3 years and upwards. 5 years preferably, but 3 years is fine. 3 years history and upwards. That gives me more than enough information. If the market had a bad period of time and it was very volatile, 3 years is more than enough time to see how the robot's actually been performing and how it will deal in very volatile situations. Okay, so the longer the trading history, the better. Now, this account started in 2022. The first trade took place in August, the year 2022. I just want to see something. General. Okay, yes, the account started August 18, 2022. That is when the account was physically opened with the broker. Now, when it was added to my FX book was August the 2nd, the year 2023. My guess is they first wanted to see how it's performing before they shared with you guys out there, with the market. Okay, so nothing wrong with that. The year 2022, look at this month, phenomenal, 70%, and it had a 30% loss. Why? Because the risk was very high. And I do not, sorry guys, I just want to, the risk was extremely high, and you don't want high risk. Look at that, 73% gain in 1 month, 46%. Now, heading over to the year 2023, look at this. Since May, it's gone down 10%, 20%, 9, 5, 2%. So around the 5% mark, if you can see a consistent performing robot of around 5%, that is good. The rest of the growth, 10% is also good. 20% is good, but this 70, 60, nothing wrong with it. It's just extremely high, which means the risk on the settings of the robot is extremely high. Me personally, I would not go for something that is showing these results of 70%, 60%, because I know the risk in the back end is phenomenally high, and I don't want that. Anywhere from 5% up to 10%, 3% per month is good, because you have to remember it's compounded growth. If you don't know what compound interest is, go search on Google. I'm not going to go into detail on compound interest. That is a different video. So that is very important. Once again, guys, please head over to Empire Digest. Make sure you watch this video if you seriously want to build a long-term sustainable business that generates money on a consistent basis. What I'm doing right here, this website that you're on right now, my business, Empire Digest, is not a copy, but it's a how can I put it to you? It's a model of literally what you will be learning in this section right here when you click show me how to make money. Okay, once again, I thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching this video. May you watching this video have a blessed, wonderful, happy, successful, loving life going forward. And may you be blessed with only the best. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in my next video.